have to change our lifestyle to meet his requirement. These are the requirement as a sadhakas. No late nights. Even if you do the late night, you have to make sure that do not miss the appointment. You get up and for example in Islam they are very rigid. This time you have to do. They rigidly follow that one. But for us, we take it for granted. We get up whatever time we want, we do. Then for the divinity to manifest through us, never miss the appointment with the divine. That is my commitment. My commitment, we want divine to operate through us. How to? You say to the within, now on, I won't miss the appointment. If I go to an interview, if they call me for a 9 o'clock interview, I go 10 o'clock, they say, sorry, you missed it. Sorry, don't come back. When small employer for small money, if they are so strict, then how about that one? We need, it is a life transformation. Change must begin. Spirituality is not difficult. Slowly you start, little by little. Fix time, whatever time you fix. Do not change. Even 5 minutes is fine. And same place, same direction. And do that one, that commitment. Dhirgakala nairantarya satkara asevito drudabhumihi. It is Patanjali talks about Dhirgakala. Maintain the commitment. The divine also tests whether this person is very serious. Is it just one-off or till going to the Kailas, or well, that person will continue. Continue. Dhirgakala. It is not short duration for I am committed for 3 months. And after that, I don't know you. I don't know who are you. Not that one. Dhirgakala, without any interruption, satkara asevito drudabhumihi. You have to do that one and a firm understanding, not out of compulsion. You enjoy what you are doing. When you know why you are doing, you enjoy. Not out of compulsion. You do, otherwise you will go to hell. Not that one. You do, I want the divine beings to operate through me. I want to